In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a meal plan using the blank planner. The blank planner allows you to hand select recipes for clients based on their exact needs. From the Planner tab, you can click New and then Blank. Add a plan title and then select Rules. Apply any tags or ingredient exclusions. In this example, we'll create a meal plan that is autoimmune paleo and also excludes kiwi. If you'd like to save your rules for future use, be sure to save them as a bookmark. Click on Create Bookmark, and your tags and ingredient exclusions will be saved under the Bookmarks tab. You can quickly apply your tags and ingredient exclusions within the planner for future meal plans or within the Recipes tab. Once everything has been entered, click Create Plan. Your meal plan will automatically save and can be accessed at any time under the Recents button. Now you're ready to add recipes. Click into any open meal slot and choose from any recipe. You can find recipes you need by searching for a recipe name. For example, let's say we want to add salad to dinner here. I can search for salad and see a selection of autoimmune paleo salad recipes that populate. Select the recipe you'd like to add. Be sure to adjust the number of servings as needed and then select the days you'd like to add it to. Then select Add. Your recipe will be added to the days you selected. Be sure to mark any of the days as leftovers by clicking on the icon with the 3 dots and toggling as leftover. This ensures your client can cook once and enjoy the meal multiple times while shopping for the proper amount of ingredients. You can also drag and drop any meals into another open meal slot. So if you'd like dinner leftovers to be enjoyed for lunch, click on the photo and drag it into the open meal slot. Repeat the process of adding meals until your planner is complete. If you'd like to search recipes with more robust filters, you can use the filters located on the Recipes tab and add the recipes to your blank meal plan that way. Ensure you are using the same tags and exclusions previously set in your Smart Rules. For this example, we'll apply our bookmark that we previously saved. From there, we'll open up our Filters tab, and here we can look for snack recipes that take no longer than 15 minutes to make, have no more than 3 ingredients, and contain less than 20 milligrams of sodium per serving. To add any recipe from the gallery to your meal plan, click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Plan. Choose the correct meal plan, meal time, and adjust the servings if needed. Select the days you'd like to add it to and then click Add Recipe. You can also add any recipe to your plan from within the recipe card. Click on the recipe photo to be taken to the recipe card. From here, click Add. Choose the correct meal plan, meal, and days of the week. Then select Add Recipe. You can adjust the number of servings from within the card. Once your meal plan is complete, you can share it with your clients in one of 2 ways. The first is by clicking the Share button and copying the shared link. Be sure to turn on any additional permissions needed. Send the link to your client via email or your practice management software. Second, Plus Plan subscribers can choose to export the meal plan as a PDF document. Click the icon with the 3 dots and select Export Plan. Choose if you'd like to include the meal plan, list, notes, and nutrition information. Select a cover page and enter any personal notes into your brief. Then select Start Export. You can send the PDF to your client in an email or using your practice management software. And that's how easy it is to create a meal plan using the blank planner.